Give me 3 minutes to explain to you why San Diego is the finest city in America. Roll the clips.
You hear the birds? Don't they sound nice? Well, they're fake. They're not real. They're simply a sound effect I used to trick you. This is San Diego at around 6:15 a.m. on a warm spring morning. Do you know how many awful sunrises I went to before I got one that looked like this? A lot. Like a lot. And I hate to complain, but why can't they all look like this? San Diego, the land of health and fitness influencers, and acai bowls, and also sailboats. Look at these sailboats. Oh, there's the one guy in all of San Diego that doesn't work from home right now. Godspeed, my friend. San Diego has got a lot to offer. We're more than just where Anchorman was filmed. Rumor has it that Kawhi Leonard used to play on this court during his time at San Diego State. He would ride his roller skates in and then give a 40-piece to anyone that wanted to guard him. Ah, beachfront homes that nobody can afford without either selling a kidney or taking out an FHA loan with only 3.5% down, both of which are risky. Palm trees, ocean, what's not to love? This guy rides his bike 45 miles to work every morning, just so he can tell you that he rode his bike to work. And I think that car may have just hit him, and that's why it's speeding away. There's lots of parking today. Get it while it's hot. And those birds are still at it. Forgot to take them out. I guess they're still around for sunset. Shut up, birds. Gosh. Well, I think I've made my point. This place is pretty. Pretty dope. I look forward to seeing you here soon. XOXO. Schmozzip Schmerl.
Thank you everybody for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed that video. Sorry for making fun of San Diego so much, and sorry for possibly ruining all of those pretty shots with my annoying comments. But I hope somebody thought it was funny, and I hope somebody liked it. If you liked it, or at least didn't hate it, go ahead and give it a like. Also subscribe for more. Like I've been saying these past couple videos, we're going to try to push more content out, try to get more comfortable in front of the camera, try to think of new ideas. I've always had this idea to do a video where really like cinematic, emotional music and like really pretty shots, but then just completely be a over the top of it. And this was kind of my first attempt at it. I don't know if I nailed it. I don't know. I hope I did all right, but I'm gonna start trying new concepts and try to make stuff that people haven't really seen before. So I figured, what better way to, you know, entertain people than to completely make fun of the pretty stuff you're seeing. If you liked anything of what you saw, feel free to subscribe, send this to somebody that loves San Diego, and look forward to more from me. So thank you. Have a good one. Peace.